Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're on I-94 West in Stark County, North Dakota. After this video, we'll get some relief from the setting sun right in front of us and the bugs on the windshield, as we'll be getting into a new day of filming. We begin at mile 87. Exit 87 leads to the cities of Richardton and Mott. Richardton is just to the north, while Mott is 35 miles to the south. Richardton has an estimated population of 557 as of 2018 and is home to Assumption Abbey, a Benedictine abbey. On the evening of June 30th, 1918, a 200-pound meteorite fell between Richardton and Mott. Pieces were found in a strewn field of about 9 miles by 5 miles oriented north to south. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. Exit 78 leads to the city of Taylor, to the north of I-94. As of 2018, Taylor had a population of 166 people. Founded in 1882, the name comes from David R. Taylor, a railroad official in Mandan, and later the founder of a drugstore there. Exit 72 leads to the city of Gladstone, to the south of the interstate. Gladstone was laid out in 1882 and was originally built up by a group of settlers from Wisconsin. The city was named for British Prime Minister William Gladstone. Prominent former citizens of Gladstone include me. We enter the city of Dickinson, and exit 64 is the eastern end of the I-94 business loop that goes through town. We'll have video of that later, as well as a tour of the city. With the North Dakota oil boom, the city became one of the fastest growing cities in the United States. The city, according to the 2015 census, was estimated to have a population of 23,765. However, other sources had estimates of the population at 30,372 or possibly exceeding 35,000. The rapid growth of the city led to an increase in crime and homelessness within the city limits. Now that oil production has decreased, the 2018 estimate was 22,739. We depart here at exit 61 after a long day of driving. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.